How to set an alarm clock snooze length on the Google Nexus 5. First, tap on the home key to get you back to the home screen, and tap on the apps key, choose clock. From here, tap on the menu key at the bottom, choose settings. In settings, under the alarms section, tap on snooze length. From here, you can drag it up and down, and this will change the minutes. So you can choose either 10 or 15 or 20, so that's up to you. And then tap on OK. And finally, tapping on the home key at the bottom here to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video.